have with us Neha Rangalani, another big winner of 40 under 40 BW Wellbeing. Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Firstly, what does this win mean to you?
Well, I'm just about few years away from being 40. So for me, this was like a reminder of my journey that I've had over the 15 years in the field of health and wellness, and how beautiful, enriching, and how amazing it's been to be a part of the health and wellness industry and to share and grow at the same time. And just being a part of 40 under 40 reminds you that this is just the beginning, and there's lots that one needs to do, and there's lots that one needs to learn and share in the coming years. So yeah, it's really an honor, and I really value such recognitions.
Of course, the awards come a lot of sweat and toil at the end of it. So, when you look back at your journey, how do you see it? How has it panned out for you?
Well, I started off as a conventional nutritionist, and over the years, when I saw people getting amazing results, I realized that it's not just about what you put on your plate. I think it's a lot about what you do beyond the plate as well
Right.
in life. And that's when my journey as an integrative health coach and a functional medicine specialist began, where I started digging deep into the health and wellness knowledge, and started understanding and interconnecting the dots, joining the dots of physical, mental, emotional, and spiritual well-being. And when I look back, I see it's just been such an enriching journey for me personally, that while helping my clients and helping people, I was learning a lot. And I think it just changed me as a person for the better. And I just feel this space, while you're helping people, it's helping you back, and you all grow together. So I think it's a beautiful
Right.
space to be in, and that journey has been beautiful.
Also, this space has become cluttered over
Yes.
the last few years, and how do you kind of stay ahead of the curve in that traditional sense of the word? Can you just share some things on that?
I truly believe in authenticity, because, like you rightly said, the space is highly cluttered. But I feel competition is not what one needs to look at. One needs to look at what you have within you, and what is that you want to share, that is your authentic self. And when you speak out of that authenticity and the genuineness, you shine out, and people do recognize that you're speaking from the heart, and it all makes sense then, because you have a reason and a logic behind what you're speaking, because it comes from within, and it's not something that you're doing just to be on top of the game or to win a certain set of competition, or it's not out of the state of ego, it's out of a state of being authentic and sharing your light. So I think authenticity is what keeps you at the top of your game.
Being authentic.
Yeah.
Finally, from here, what next? Could you share what lies ahead from here on?
Well, I don't plan way too much in the future, because I live for the day, I live for the moment, and I love enjoying the moment and doing what I'm doing. I love the journey more than reaching the destination. So for me, it's more about what is it that I can do today. While I would definitely want to keep doing this and continue sharing my light in the space of health and wellness, and growing in this space and making more and more people health independent, I grab onto any opportunity that I feel aligns with my purpose, and I walk on the path. And I think universe has a beautiful way of opening out things for you and opening ways and doors for you when your intention is right. So I focus on my intention, and I keep doing my work, and the right things just keep coming, and I keep enjoying them.
Thanks, Neha, for sharing your thoughts, and congratulations again.
Thank you so much.